Hey everyone, in today's video, I will guide you on how to start an LLC in New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So the first question to ask is, why should we use Busy? Well, Busy is the simplest platform to use when forming and managing any LLC in New Jersey. Busy completes the entire LLC process even at home without any need of expensive legal fees and paperwork. So to start forming your LLC in New Jersey, click the link below to sign up. And this isn't a sponsored video, but simply a tutorial on how to start an LLC in New Jersey. So if you want to sign up on Busy and get started, head on over to the description box down below and click on the link for Busy. Once you click on that link, you are going to be led to this page from where you're going to select an LLC as the type of corporation that you want to build. And secondly, you're going to select your state. So we are going to select New Jersey. We're going to scroll down and then we're going to find our relevant state over here. Once you've done that, it's time to actually choose your package on New Jersey. So there are multiple different packages that are available for LLC creation. Now, these packages are going to be different depending on the tier that you have, and the silver package is available for free. However, with higher tiers, they have more features that may be beneficial depending on your needs. So starting with the silver package, you won't be paying anything extra besides your state fees. State fees are the fees that the state charges you. So the state of New Jersey is going to charge me $130 as the state fee. Your state fee is going to be dependent on the state that you're starting your LLC in, and it might vary from $130. It can go from anywhere between $100 to $400 depending on the state that you are in. This package gets your free registered agent for a full year for only $0, and you only need to pay your state fee on the silver package on Busy. And with the silver package, you can also get additional features like expedited filing, unlimited name searches, articles, and other features of that sort that can help you in building your LLC. Now, moving on towards the gold package, you need to pay $199 for the subscription and your additional state fee, which is $130 for New Jersey. This package comes with extra add-ons such as a EIN business tax number, lifetime compliance alerts, IRS forms, and operating agreements. So as an example, we're going to proceed with the gold package, and from there, we're going to be led to the company formation where we're going to be redirected to name our LLC. The first thing that you're going to do is enter the name you want to keep for your LLC. Now, if that name is available, you will see your official company name, and it needs to be compliant with the New Jersey naming requirements and designators. Busy automatically checks the availability of your chosen name, and if the chosen name is already taken, you can choose an alternative. And after that, you have your designator and the business purpose. Now, you're going to provide a business purpose. So what is the purpose of your business? So let's say we want to sell clothing and jackets, sell clothing and home goods. And then after that, we're going to search for our industry keyword, and we're just going to search for retail over here. And you can choose the type of retail business or any type of business that you are in. Now, after that, click on next. Now, the next step is to choose your state filing time. Now, the standard filing time is 3 weeks, and you will see the estimated formation date of your LLC by the end of 2nd July. Now, if you want to expedite this, you can do that with an additional $50 fee. However, this only makes my filing time to 2 business days. So my LLC will be filed for within 5th of June. Now, this is really dependent on whether or not you're in a rush, so you can choose the free option if you're not in a rush or if you're out of a budget, but if you want your filing to be done faster, you can proceed with the faster option. Then click on next. After that, you have to enter details of a contact person that they might need to contact. So simply enter the details of the relevant contact person, which most likely is just going to be you. So we're going to enter contact information for our relevant person, and then you're going to click on next. Now, the next step is to actually add your company address info. If you want to keep your address private, even if you're not in the state, then you can choose the professional business address and virtual mail service. This costs an extra $29 per month. However, if you are out of a budget, you can choose to provide your own address. But keep in mind that if you provide your own address within the state of New Jersey, this will be made public when it is submitted to the IRS. It's a part of the IRS process to have LLC addresses listed as public addresses. So if you're fine with that, you can fill in your address info at the bottom and then click on next. However, if you want to have the more private option, simply click on the professional business address and virtual mail. Below that, they will still ask you for your contact address. The reason for that is because they want to make sure that in case of any shipment purposes, they do have your address. So that is the reason why you are still going to be providing your address to BZ. Once you're done adding your address, then you have to choose between the premium service packages. You can see that there are different types of services that BZ provides you, such as business contract templates, expedited filing services, and domain name and business email addresses. With business contract templates, you get access to over 25 high-quality legal documents that are written by business attorneys that can help you in protecting your business. Expedited filing can help you in getting expedited service for your registration and having your LLC registered quickly, and domain names and business email addresses can help with credibility of your professional business. So if you want, you can click on Get Upgrade and Bonus and choose to upgrade your plan on BZ, or you can proceed with no thanks. Make sure to pay close attention on the right panel where you're going to see your total amount. So what are the services that you are agreeing to and what is the inline cost of each service. Once you do that, click on Get Upgrade and Bonus or proceed with no thanks if you want to proceed without the additional add-ons. Once you've done that, it's time to proceed with our members or owners. Over here, you're going to enter the number of members or owners there are in your LLC, and then you have to add some information about the member or owner. If it is you and you've already added your information previously, you can just select the information box from here. However, if you have multiple owners, you can select the number of owners and provide information accordingly. Then click on Next over here to proceed with the next step of your LLC registration, and that is to actually have a registered appointed agent. So it is required to have a registered agent in New Jersey, and with BZ you can appoint a registered agent service for free for up to 1 year. However, you can act as your own agent or hire someone else as well by clicking on the secondary option. Choose your preferred option and then click on Next. Now, after that, you'll be prompted to enter your EIN or tax info assigned by the IRS. Then you can click on Yes on the top and then click on I agree. Once you do that, you just have to enter your address as well as your name, and then after that, you can click on Next. Now, in the next step, you will be prompted to provide your business banking. This is a great option for those who want or have a separate banking account for their business. So if you are interested, proceed with Yes, I'm interested. Otherwise, you can click on Ask Me Later. Then you'd be prompted to opt for a free consultation with BZ, and you will see in this particular consultation, you learn things such as how your LLC is taxed, how you can actually end up missing some deductions, how to keep track of those, your bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce IRS audits, and how you can reduce your self-employment taxes. So this is a free consultation that you can opt in for, or if you want, you can also choose to skip it by clicking on I'm not interested at this time. Click on next over here, and then it is going to be time to complete your order, and you can choose whether or not you want business licenses and permits. So if you want to identify all the licenses that are required for your business, as well as to be sent all the relevant applications, you can just click on yes, or you can click on no thanks and proceed. And finally, you will be taken to the last step where you can review your order. Double check everything from your formation info, contact info, agent info, company info, addresses, members, and tax information. If everything is good to go, then click on next, and then you're going to enter your billing info. And before you enter your billing info, check your order summary on the right to see if everything checks out to the features that you are purchasing. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with this straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. If you want to sign up on Busy and get started, head down to the description below to find a link for Busy. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.